Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Beamed here. Today I'm going to be showcasing a script called No Lack Up or Grow a Garden. It's really overpowered, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Yo, what is going on, guys? As you guys can see, we are in the game, and as always, the first thing you want to do is get your favorite executor. In this video, we'll be using Zenith just because Op is still down. So yeah, let me go ahead and bring up Zenith. This is what the script looks like. It will be in the description below. It'll be the first link. So if you guys do end up liking the video and the script in general, make sure to go ahead and check it out. So as always, you want to go ahead and attach your executor, click execute, and then if you just give it a second, it'll lag, and then it'll pop everything back up. And so this is what it looks like. You got anti-AFK, you can fly around, you have infinite jump, so you can basically fly again. You can change your walk speed if you really wanted to. You got a couple other things here like no clip, so you can just walk through people's like fences and stuff. You have the server version. You can copy job ID, teleport to job ID, hop servers. Then they have the farm. So as you guys can see, you can plant delay. You have auto plant spam. So if I go over to the shop over here, let me just buy like a bunch of these carrot seeds, right? So I have 4 of them. If I go ahead and put auto plant spam on, if I just walk over here, it just plants them all for me and I don't even have to worry about it. You have plant position, you have auto plant position, save plant position. So basically you can set your own plant positions like where you want them, and then it'll teleport you there, I'm assuming, and plant them there, or something like that. I haven't fully used that. So you can also go to pets. You teleport to the pet egg shop, which is just right over here. You have blacklist, buy eggs, auto buy egg. You can auto all buy eggs, so it buys every egg that you can get. You have a place egg list, auto place, auto hatch. You have a my pet, so you have pet list. You have the pet food you have. You can refresh them, and then you can feed them every so often. Then you have the utility tab, so you can just click inventory value. As you guys can see, my current inventory with 3 strawberries is worth 49, I guess coins or cents. I'm not really sure. And then you can also do it for individual items. Then you have the honey shop. You need to click it again to close it. It won't let you use the X on it. You can stock whitelist, so auto buy is for the auto buy honey shop. Auto event, you can auto sell fruit. So as you guys can see, I do have 3 strawberries in here. If I just click sell inventory, it teleports and sells it all. It's pretty much the same with the auto sell full backpack. It waits until your inventory is completely full, and then it'll sell it for you. You have water tree, water distance, auto water speed. You can also auto place gear. Items, you can favorite like which variant you want, the mutation, and same with fruits. You can also just auto favorite if you want to. You have equip, so you can again equip seeds, equip all seeds, equip all. It also bypasses the max equip, so that's pretty dope. You can also just click auto equip all seeds. You have ESP and UI. I'm not really sure what this does. I've tried to get it to work, but it doesn't really do anything as far as I can tell. Maybe you guys will know what to do with that, but I personally do not. I'm gonna go ahead and disable that. And then you have events UI, which does not pop up right now. And then you have the shop for seeds, the gear shop, and then you have the daily quests. You also have a shop tab right over here. So let's go ahead. You can whitelist which seeds, same with the gear and cosmetics. You can fix the whitelist. You can auto buy seeds, auto buy gear, auto buy cosmetic, and or just auto buy all the stock. So it auto buys all of them all at one time. You have the experimental tab, which you can buy banana. It says vulnerability, but it says patch next to it, so I'm assuming it's patched. And then you have the performance tab, which you can hide and show other people's gardens. As you guys can see, like you cannot see anyone's gardens. Click it again just to get it reset. You can delete others' gardens. Again, it's the same thing, but you need to rejoin to restore. You can also do hide trees, which really doesn't work because I kind of removed everyone else's stuff already. You can decrease world quality, texture quality, disable 3D rendering, and that will just help with FPS in case you have like a bad PC or something. Then settings, you have like configurations and auto load and stuff. You can also hide it. There's like a little button here to bring it back up and stuff. Then you have this so you can make it bigger or smaller, and then you click this X to unload it completely if you wanted to. So yeah, that's pretty much the script, guys. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and go ahead and comment as well. And yeah, make sure you guys check out the script. Like I said at the start of the video, it's gonna be the first link in the description below. And yeah, hope you guys have a good one. Peace out.